welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a speed clean with me. It has been a bit of a hectic week, so my place is a complete disaster. So I'm just picking up everything, and I just had a Walmart order delivered, and I'm telling you, if it wasn't for Walmart delivery, I don't know how I would survive. I get Walmart delivery at least once a week. It makes life so easy. But anyways, today's video is just going to be a quick speed clean with me. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Val. I am a mama of two little girls. Isabella and Aliana are their names. They are 2 and 5. And let me tell you, I have my hands full most of the time. I literally took about, I want to say 6 hours to clean the stuff in this video because I had to take time in between because my girls just make a complete mess. And it was so hard to even get the after shots. But anyways, we are moving out of this little apartment in June, middle of June. We're moving to Davenport, Florida. We're so excited because it is right where Disney World is. And it's just going to be such a beautiful area for us. And where we're moving is so much bigger, so much roomier. We're going to have so much more room to just be a family and just not worry about being on top of each other all the time. So anyways, if you are new here, I would love for you to stick around. Make sure that you stick around to the end because I am going to be sharing a 20-minute Cajun sausage rice recipe, and it's so easy. It comes together so fast. So make sure you stick around for that. And yeah, let's just get into the cleaning. I'm going to throw some music on. Bear with me with this video because there is some lagging. I don't know what happened to my camera while I was recording, but there is definitely some lagging going on. So love me through it. I hope that this motivates you to get up, clean with me, tackle all the messes in your place that you need to get clean.
someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? Can you feel it? Can you feel the
Alright, now that we have a semi-clean house, let's get dinner started. So this Cajun sausage and rice literally comes together in 20 minutes. It is so simple, and it's all thanks to this shortcut ingredient, which is Cajun sausage that's pre-cooked. So what we're gonna do is slice it up, and then we are going to fry it for about 2 minutes per side until it's nice and brown. This step is completely optional, but it does add so much more flavor. After we are done browning our sausage, we are going to add in 1 diced green bell pepper along with about a teaspoon of salt and about 3 cloves of minced garlic. And we are just going to cook this all up for about 3 minutes until everything's nice and soft and tender. And I am using Zatarain's jambalaya. I got the family size because there are 4 of us and we ate this all up. We didn't even have any leftovers. So I'm just throwing that in the pot along with the sausage, and I'm just gonna pan fry that for about a minute and then add 4 cups of water. Once it comes to a simmer, we're gonna cover it and cook for about 15 minutes and then just fluff it up. There is a little bit of water left in the pot, but I just let it stand for another 5 minutes and it came out absolutely perfect. This meal is a perfect weeknight meal when you don't have a lot of time. So I hope that you try it. If you do, tag me on Instagram. This way I can see how you make yours. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.